Hey, it's Anthony from SSW, and today we're going to talk about the new search functionality which is added to the Verinote. Okay, let's dive in. Okay, before we start, let's quickly have a look at the existing functionality on the search. So as you can see that I'm currently on the older version of the Verinote. So in order for the user to do a search, they can have to click on the different icon, and then they have to type in something, for example, test. And then they can hit enter or click on that icon to do a search. The search looks normal, but when you start doing some advanced search, for example, if they want to search for the private notes, they have a click on advanced button, and then it does open the drop down, and for them to do a search, they have to tick the box and then do another search. So one of the issue is at the moment it's not clear from the end user whether the advanced search is currently enabled, what exactly user have selected in advanced search. So for example, if I search for a Preston in locations, it's not visible on the search that they're currently doing advanced search. Okay, so let's have a look at the new search user experience. So we move the search box to the navigation bar, so it is now visible on every single page. To do a search, they click on these search buttons, and then the focus is on the text box, and they can do a search on the notes immediately. To do advanced search, they expand and open up that modal, and they can type in something like search for the notes in Preston and include the private search. And then when do a search, now the difference here is now we move all the advanced filter into the text box. So this actually is very similar to Gmail and GitHub. And whenever you type anything in here, it actually reflected inside the advanced search. For example, I can do search for notes in reservoir. All right, so what happened is that it get transferred into here. It's really cool. All right, I can do a clear search, and we can also now do auto refresh or monitor the search that is created. So for example, when you do a search, so it is now doing auto reload every 30 seconds for the notes that match that criteria. To stop the monitoring, they can click on that and become a normal search. So once they finish with the search, if they click on home, it goes back to normal. So the idea here is once the user get used to the systems, in order for them to do a search in advanced search is really simple. All they have to do is just type in search, and they can type in the location and something like this, and boom, that is basically doing advanced search. And all this get populated in the field if they want to expand the forms to include a different field, for example, search for date, and that's the same thing. Okay, so thank you very much.